Vietnam has been the manufacturing hub for global brands such as Zara, H&M, Mango for a while, especially those from across Asia, including Thailand. Vietnamese brands have become a social phenomenon, being loved by global celebrities like Lisa, Proxy, Rosé, thanks to their skillful workmanship, unique designs, and amazing quality. But for other brands,
Finding the right Vietnamese manufacturer can be tough.
struggling to find the right partner,
Communication barriers,
quality control.
so that's why we're here. Inflow is a Vietnamese on-demand fashion manufacturing company. We focus on high-quality execution in areas such as design, product development, quality control, timely delivery. We have our own factory called Euphoria, equipped with the modern machines and technology. We have 8 production lines, making more than 100,000 products per month. We make woven, knit, denim, formal wear, outerwear, and sportswear, leveraging our highly experienced in-house team.
Our supply chain excellence include flexible MOQs, highly skilled workers, fast production time, a fully vetted manufacturing network, and our all-in-one tech-enabled production platform for tracking production process.
We've worked with more than 60 clients all around the world, including Love Bonito, Dottie, Toby Streetwear, especially Pomelo from Thailand. They struggle to find manufacturers that could handle small, high-quality orders quickly. So we provide solutions through a flexible and innovative supply chain. Inflow isn't just manufacturing, we're building a better future of fashion retailing through on-demand production. Join our community focused on sustainability, ethics, empowering brands and consumers. Partner with Inflow and Euphoria today.